Hello and welcome to Arm4 Creations. My name is Ashley and today I will be showing you how to add font to an iPad. So first I got the font from thefont.com. This font is free for personal use. I'm just using this font to complete a baby shower GIF. So next we'll go to the App Store on the iPad and we're going to search for iFont. And then download it. So I'm going to click Find Fonts to install. And I'm just going to open Files since it's already on my iPad. And I'm going to go for the TTF version of it. I'm going to click on the installer to finish the install. And then we're just going to follow the prompts that the iPad gives me. So now that that's completed, I'm going to go to Cricut and start a new project. Then I'm going to go to Upload and select my design. Then I'm going to add the name just to make sure that the font works. That's it on how to install the font. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to be a part of my growing crafting family, please consider subscribing. We would love to have you. Have a great day, guys.